Hi guys,
Jackie who?
Christina Blue with the Who Blue Real Estate Group. We are here to talk to you guys about selling your house and preparing it for going on the market. So there are a lot of things that you can do to improve your home, and we just want to talk to you about a couple that actually stand out and give your home value. There's a lot of things that won't give your home value, and we don't want you to waste your money. So Jackie, what are a couple things that you think right off the bat are a good idea for increased value?
Yeah, some of the easier items you can get done that give you a good return from the get-go and that will make the biggest difference to potential buyers would be replacing outdated flooring, replacing light fixtures or putting in recessed lights, painting the interior and the exterior a neutral color right now can go a long way, and then also landscaping, giving your home that great curb appeal.
Do they always have to do those things?
It depends on the cost. I think, yeah, don't you have...
So basically, it's really important to have us come over and take a look at your home, because what we do really well with is analyzing, is this, like, if the landscaping is going to be, you know, $2,000, can we make sure that you're gonna get $2,000 increased value? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Maybe your landscaping is okay and that's not something we really would want you to spend money on, but how about instead of the recessed lighting, we just get bright light bulbs? You know, that's a little bit cheaper. So don't spend any money. A good idea to hire your realtor is about 6 to 9 months before you're even thinking about selling. That way we can get in there and give you a good analysis and talk about a plan of what items that you should do and you shouldn't do. Okay, so give us a call. We'd love to be a resource to you and help you sell your home for as much as possible. Thanks, guys.